Every great process begins where the earth gives its best. Quality is decided long before machines ever start. Harvest turns effort into motion. Each potato begins its journey with careful handling. From soil to system, the flow has begun. The harvest now moves beyond the field. Scale begins with controlled transfer. Traceability locks quality in place. Distance is just another controlled variable. Here, agriculture meets engineered control. The raw journey meets industrial precision. Precision begins before the first bolt turns. Safety anchors every operation. The factory comes alive with movement. Cleanliness is the first transformation. Every surface is stripped to its essentials. Only what belongs is allowed through. Technology makes decisions in milliseconds. Preparation is complete. Transformation awaits. Precision begins with a single cut. Uniformity defines every chip. Consistency is engineered, not guessed. Now, the stage is set for heat. Heat transforms structure into flavor. Crispness is born in seconds. Nothing is wasted. Everything is reused. Perfection is verified without stopping the flow. Freshly fried chips spill smoothly from the exit conveyor into a large rotating stainless steel seasoning drum, and fine seasoning powder is evenly sprayed inside the rotating drum, coating chips uniformly as they tumble. Thousands of decisions, one seamless system. Now, refinement begins. Refinement is measured in details. Balance defines taste. Order improves accuracy. Standards never blink. Only certainty moves forward. Quality is verified, not assumed. Every batch speaks for itself. Data confirms consistency. Only approved product proceeds. The product meets its final form. Accuracy travels at speed. Efficiency scales without pause. Prepared for the world beyond the walls. And this is how modern factories produce Lay's chips from start to finish.